Barbie Fortesa update. Yung post ni Barbie sa kanyang Instagram. Magkasama muli ang mag-ate, sila Barbie at Ate Abby. Sabi ni Barbie, finally in the same time zone again. Yung bonding ng mag-ate. Yung kakain niya sa labas. And magkasama pa nga silang kumain sa isang cafe. Yan sila Barbie, Ate Abby, saka si Daddy Tony. And enjoy. Saka ito, post ni Barbie. Yung kahapon nag-morning pilates si Barbie. Kasama niya si Ivana Alawi. Yan fitness era silang dalawa. Nagpilates sila ng 1 hour. Solid yan. Ito banding ng mag-BFF sila Barbie, Alden Richard at Christopher Mardin. Saka ayan, nasarap pa ng kain ni Barbie dyan sa bowl. At ito, abangan bukas, March 12, 8 PM, ang full video ng post na sa YouTube channel ng Ang Walang Kwentang Channel. And Barbie Fortesa, Cherry Pie Wikachi at Judy Santa Maria. Maganda yung chika nila dyan. Ito yung pabati ni Barbie.
It was a pleasure working with you. I hope to work with you again. Thank you po. Hi, Miss Chuchi. Happy birthday. It was a pleasure working with you. I hope to work with you again. Thank you po.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Twitch Trending Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.